Hello, welcome everybody. Still in Northwich, Cheshire. Pretty much getting ready for our trip down onto the Weaver for a couple of weeks. Have a little explore of the river, and we're also going to visit Northwich Dry Dock and get blacked. But that's all for a few weeks' time. Last time we saw you, 2 weeks ago, we'd finally built some new storage, painted the office space, got a desk put in, set everything up, made sure it was working. Good news is, Shell's been working from the boat for 2 days on the run, and everything seems pucker. This week, we're going to finish it off. First thing is, we're actually going to have a proper chair in the boat for the first time ever. An actual chair. Not storage that we bastardise as chairs, because this is what we currently use. IKEA storage box. To be fair, it does work brilliantly. But no, not for the new office. Yep. For the new office, we've only gone and bought a chair. So I'm just going to put that together now. Okay, the chair we bought looked very good, but it's crap. Now we've actually got it. It's crap, and the base of it doesn't actually fit the seat, so it's going back. So I think it's going to be going to salvage yards and antique centres looking for a nice old chair. And keep all your modern crap. It's no good. Dang! Now I've got to mess around getting it bloody returned. Deep breath. We can do this. Come on. Luna, come here. Lost a ball. Found a ball. Lost a ball. Come on, fetch it. Unless you're a border collie who's lost it. Lost a ball. Where is it? What, love? We gotta try and enjoy some time together.
Oh, come on, I need to get some stuff done. I can chill out in 2.5 hours.
Won't be chilling out then, will we?
Yeah, we're going to green tea.
You'll be mad rush getting ready.
It's not.
You'll be stressing me out. Schlongs will be everywhere. Yours toasted?
Yeah. Very. Very toasted. Bit of fluff on your bagel. Turn over.
Luna! Come on, Pete.
Yeah, look.
Come on, Bean. Go sit in the grass for a bit. Go on. He's a good girl. Got a ball, Mum. I've worked it out. You said we need to put that shit bucket on the back so we can sit on the bow and enjoy food.
Yeah.
Everything's so hard at the minute, Luna.
That didn't last long, did it?
It's nice though, isn't it?
It's nice when I've got time to do it.
Got a big project on, haven't you?
Yeah.
You've grown up and everything, haven't you?
Got timelines and everything. Deadlines.
Are you freelance graphic designer now?
Yeah.
Very proud of you, we are.
Thank you.
Me and Bean.
Yeah.
The lightsaber was all made available because of the amazing office that I've made.
But it's a nicer creative space.
Better than being here, isn't it?
Yes. By a long shot.
It's quite life-changing, I think.
Pardon?
Quite life-changing, I think.
Uh-oh.
Oh, is it good?
We've got day boaters.
Has it just hit something?
No. Beeping horns and all sorts of shite going on. They're all out as well. It's just always a sign, isn't it? Liverboards, it's...
You don't see us usually.
No. I was thinking it's because it was a sunny day. It's not that busy yet, but it's still quite early, isn't it? Well,
Yeah,
well, for boaters it is.
definitely. Yeah, I don't know what that tree is.
Blossom.
Oh, it's seeds, isn't it? That is.
Yeah. Have you seen it down there? It looks like it's snowed.
Yeah, it's incredible, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
Pretty
beautiful.
amazing.
Beautiful.
How close are they?
Fairly, yeah. I'll let these go past, then I'm going into work if that's alright.
Yeah, of course it is.
As much as I'd like to sit out here all day.
Be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I've got to get back to my computer. Are you ready?
You got to try and be good. Here they are.
They're coming. I'll pretend like I don't know they're coming. Although I heard them a mile away. Why do you always film me when I've not got my bra on? Hey?
Hey?
Not done my hair. Got me comfy jumper on. No bra.
It's real life, mate.
It's very real.
Yeah, here they are. Oh, it's the day boat, is it?
It's a day boat or a hire boat.
It's the hire boat from Mandeville Marine.
Is it? Yeah.
Kids.
Hiya. You okay?
Oh, Bean, don't you like hire boat?
Smell it. At least they didn't have a captain's hat on.
It's time for that, yeah.
It's probably in the boat.
I was going to say, yeah, they haven't found that yet. At least they're being cautious and careful.
And they're in tick over,
Exactly.
which is rare.
I mean, it is wondrous, isn't it? You do forget. You do get a bit jaded, don't you?
Yeah, I
As a
mean, yeah.
liverboard, you forget the wonder that it is.
Well, I
Just,
remember my first trip on a boat. I was very excited.
Is that when you're rolling around on the floor when you got off?
A few too many.
Very excited, also very drunk.
I was your typical day boat.
You were nailed on.
Yeah, yeah.
Apart from the captain's hat.
Power drinking wine.
Did you have a captain's hat on at any point?
No.
You failed then. You were close. Though,
I had
you were
heels,
close.
leather trousers.
You couldn't walk when you got off, so. Mind you, Babs, that was 10 years ago.
Yeah,
almost.
10 years ago. Right, can I do some work now?
Yeah.
Get the camera out my
Stop it,
face. Yeah, you are pretty much. Yeah.
Hey, open another one.
You stood in the door.
Yeah, I'm not letting you in. On in.
Are you?
Not letting you in. Yeah, I'm trying to get your vitamin D levels up.
Are you okay?
Is it vitamin D?
Yeah. Well, I need to get in there now. Come on. Toys at this end of the boat.
Hey.
You like me to start keeping your toys at this end?
How you feeling?
Tired.
We do beer gardens yesterday.
Yes. Afternoon tea and beer garden.
It's a bit much, isn't it?
Yeah.
We'll pay for it today, mate.
Yeah, I don't think I've got this stomach for early drinking now.
You did well at the time, though.
Yeah, I need to just come home, go bed, not stay up late.
It's a telling thing that I can't do anything like this without my glasses these days. I'm getting old. Yeah, I was hoping to get this done today. Oh, that's nice. Still feeling a bit rough. But yeah, rough around the edges. Can't even talk. But yeah, look at that. If nothing else, I know Shell is going to go nuts over the pot. But yeah, so there's a little bit of greenery. What are you doing today, mate?
Hang on.
Hey, where are you going?
Moving all the snacks.
I think everybody knows we snack bags. First, let me just, what do you think of your new plant?
I love it. Stunning. And I love the, what is it?
What are you doing? What is it?
What's the plant?
I don't know. Some sort of fern.
Beautiful. Love the plant pot. It's like me in a pot until you see these pots.
Oh, pots!
Yeah, I've been to Pottery Barn in Sandpatch today to do raku. It's been so much fun. So we did little pots. There was 3 different colour glazes. So the idea was that you did like one glaze. They wouldn't let you mix the coloured glazes because there's like the risk of it not working. So you did like one.
Wow.
So that's the white, which doesn't have much of a reaction, but you do get more. A lot people got more crackle. I've got a tiny bit of crackle.
Tiny bit of crackles.
But I like
Love
that.
the top of it.
So that is no glaze. That's a burn. So that's from burning the actual clay, the black, which I think's awesome. Yeah, and then I did the green glaze because we all decided that the blue glaze was the nicest. So which one's this one? Then I did then I did green.
Oh wow, that is beautiful.
Look inside. Can you see? It's all copperized.
Wow.
You see it?
Mm.
It's beautiful inside. It's metallic inside. And then the blue. The blue didn't come out as bright as I hoped, but I got a lot of copper reaction on mine. So it's come out multicoloured, this blue one. That's the blue.
Oh, now we're talking.
So yeah, a lot of people have the very vivid blue. I didn't really get much of that.
Wow.
How cool's that? And then it's all copper
Cool.
again inside.
So what did we say yesterday?
What, that I'm going to be a potter?
No.
And go get a kiln?
No.
What?
Don't bring any little pots home.
Well, they didn't give you anything, did you? So you got a pot and then you basically just glazed it and then put it in the kiln and then had to wait 45 minutes and then sat waiting for the pot and then you did another one.
Was it good then?
Yeah, it was
Did you enjoy
ace.
it? Did you do it again?
Oh yeah, I want a kiln.
Oh really?
It's just amazing. I could literally do that all day. So nice.
What, did you throw that?
No, they threw them for you. But yeah, I mean, how cool. Raku pots are well expensive as well, so this is a cheaper way of getting a raku pot.
You little skimpling. I'm glad you had a good time with us.
Yeah.
It's awesome. As you can see, I haven't done anything on the storage unit. I've had a terrible hangover.
Somebody been mixing the grape and the grain. Beers and wine don't mix.
Excited, I thought it'd be alright.
What am I saying? How much I love The Office. Welcome to our new office. Everything's in place now. Books are in. Cubes are in. Chris got me a beautiful new plant. I've got my little inspiration board there. So everything's done apart from the chair. We still need a new chair. I can't wait to burn this wooden stool. It's so uncomfortable. But yeah, loving the new space. Dedicated workspace, creative space. It's ace. Yeah, I'm out of the way, so don't get in the way of the living room area and the door. I'm not right next to the wood burner, so I'm not going to burn my bum in the winter, which I always do. Yeah, I'm loving it. It's brilliant. I wish I'd done this sooner. Chris has been going on about it for quite some time, so yeah, I should have listened. But yeah, it's brilliant. Loving it. Thank you for watching this week's vlog. I hope you've enjoyed our new office space as much as we are. If you've done any lovely projects like this, let us know in the comments. Keep following us in the next coming weeks because we're doing a lot of decorating. The inside of the boat is getting a bit tatty and it needs some TLC. So yeah, keep watching for more paint. Yeah, that's it. So have a great week. Look after yourselves, especially in this sun. Get some sun cream on. And we'll see you next week. Take care. Love yourself. Stay afloat. Bye-bye.